Yes, you can create a video for free with a click. That easy. Link will be in the description. This is the tutorial. Let's learn how. First, a little glimpse of the stories.
Betraying disbelief and suspicion, her gaze sweeps across the room. A silent quest is assailed by the earthy smells and threadbare sights. Her privileged world clashes violently.
Sign into Magic Light AI. Brilliant, brilliant. You love it. Get inspired with the community. Write your story, copy paste it, or ask AI to write it for you. Choose a story according to your niche. Let's now edit the scenes. If you're happy about it, just click on Next. Now you can choose the format and the style. Hey, so many to choose from. Which one will you choose? After checking it out quite thoroughly, I finally chose one. Now you have to choose the other characters and it's the same process. This is super easy, like I told you, right? And you have 2 for free each month. Not enough for your channel? Well, I have other tutorials on other free tools and you can have one more or another one and just check out the playlist. It will be in the comments. Okay, now let's choose the font for the subtitles. They are very interesting and appealing in my opinion. You have access to them once the video is rendered. If you're happy, click on Generate and that's it. All you have to do, wait a little bit and download it. That's it, that's the process. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here with me. Don't forget, I have so many playlists on amazing AI tools for you. They're all free. Enjoy them. Check out the stories I created and tell me if you like them. Bye bye for now.
In the dimly lit, opulent mansion, crime scene tape marks a grim boundary as detectives swarm the scene of a heinous act. Anna, the victim's girlfriend, arrives with a determined resolve, pushing past the officers, her eyes betraying disbelief and suspicion. Her gaze sweeps across the room, a silent quest for answers amidst the chaos and sorrow. In her apartment, Anna delves into a labyrinth of documents and photographs, driven by an unyielding determination to uncover the truth. Her voice laced with conviction, Anna softly declares, "I know he didn't kill himself. Someone wanted him dead." In the dimly lit and smoke-filled bar, Anna and Mark delve deeper into their shadowy investigation. Mark slides a manila envelope across the table to Anna, revealing evidence that Victor was deeply in debt. Mark reveals, "This is what I found. Evidence suggesting Victor was deeply in debt." Mark affirms, he stood to gain significantly from the victim's death. In Victor's office, Anna's innocent facade conceals a calculated lie, hinting at a hidden asset that could ignite Victor's greed. As Anna weaves her deceptive tale, a glint of avarice sparks in Victor's eyes, betraying his true intentions. In a moment filled with tension, Victor demands, "Tell me more about this asset. I deserve it after all I've done for him." In the cavernous, abandoned warehouse, dust motes twirl in the faint moonlight, casting long shadows and hinting at secrets hidden within. A predatory grin spreads across Victor's face as he enters, his eyes darting around, sensing the trap closing in. From the shadows, Anna's voice pierces the silence, a declaration of defiance and knowledge. "It is over, Victor. I know everything." As Victor advances deeper into the warehouse, the police emerge from the shadows, weapons drawn, ready to confront him in a deadly standoff. Under the unforgiving glare of fluorescent lights, Victor sits hunched, sweat painting a portrait of guilt as hardened detectives close in, their gazes unwavering. As the walls close in, Detective 1 asserts with cold certainty, We know you were there, Victor. The evidence doesn't lie. Detective 2 offers a hollow promise of solace. Just tell us what happened. It'll be easier on you. A veiled attempt to break Victor's resolve. In a trembling confession, Victor utters the damning words, Okay, I did it. I killed him, sealing his fate in a moment of irreversible truth. Inside the opulent chambers of the royal palace, Princess Amara reigns supreme, attended by a legion of servants catering to her every desire, illustrating a life of unparalleled privilege. Her dismissive gestures and imperious tone reveal a spoiled nature, untouched by empathy or concern for the world beyond her gilded cage. In her dealings with advisors, Princess Amara betrays a profound disinterest in the kingdom affairs, highlighting a detachment from her royal responsibilities. Princess Amara, draped in regal finery, hesitantly enters the bustling village market, her senses assailed by the earthy smells and threadbare sights. Her privileged world clashes violently with the harsh realities of her kingdom, as gaunt faces and calloused hands fill her gaze. The princess' eyes dart around, taking in the poverty and hardship that surrounds her. Unbeknownst to her, a chance encounter is about to challenge everything she believes. In the depths of the royal dungeon, Princess Amara, stripped of title and privilege, confronts the harsh reality of her defiance. Isolation becomes a crucible, forcing Amara to confront the shadows of her selfishness and the weight of her past. As the cold stone whispers tales of consequence, a flicker of understanding dawns within Amara, igniting a yearning for redemption. Beneath the relentless sun, Amara, once a figure of scorn, now weathers the storm of physical labor, each aching muscle a stark reminder of her past disdain. From the depths of hardship, a seed of respect sprouts within Amara, nurtured by the resilience and unyielding spirit of those she once overlooked. Amidst the shared laughter and simple acts of kindness, Amara discovers an unexpected wellspring of joy, her heart softening with each passing day. Years later, Amara, transformed, returns to the royal palace, no longer a princess, but a respected leader, an advocate for the common people. With unwavering resolve, she uses her influence to enact reforms, dedicating herself to improving the lives of her former subjects, a testament to her profound transformation. Amara's commitment to serving others shines brightly as she walks through the palace, engaging with the people and embodying hope and change.